Here, this is a very important question. It will may come in university examination. See here, radius of curvature. Finding the radius of curvature. Consider given curve a y square is equals to x cube. This is the equation number 1. P a comma a given point. Now, see here, we know that ROC, radius of curvature of at any ROC at any point point P x comma y is rho at P, that is equals to 1 plus y dash whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. This is equation number 2. Now, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and b both sides. Now, a into y square means 2y y dash, that is equals to 3x square. Now, y dash is equals to 3x square by 2ay. Now, y dash at P a comma a, that is equals to 3 into a square by 2 a into a square cancel, that is equals to y dash at P a comma a is 3 by 2. Now, you have to take this as equation number 3. Now, differentiate equation 3 with respect to x on both sides. Now, see, y dash means y double dash, differentiation of y dash is y double dash. Now, 3 by 2a is constant. So, x square by y, this is u, this is v, u by v. We know the formula u by v, v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. See, this is u, this is v. V means y into 2x minus u into x square y dash by y square. Now, see here, y double dash 3 by 2a 2xy minus x square y dash by y square. Now, y double dash 3y double dash at P a comma a, that is equals to 3 by 2a 2 into a minus a square y dash by a square. Now, 3 by 2a square minus a square, y dash means also we know that 3 by 2 by a square. Now, 3 by 2a, take LCM, 4a square minus 3a square by 2a square. See, now 3 by 2a square by 2a square, 4 minus 3 1, so a square cancel. Now, remaining is 3 by 2a square, sorry, 3 by 2 2s are 4, 4a. This is the y double dash at P. We know that implies two equations, rho at p a comma a, that is equals to 1 plus y dash means where is this 3 by 2 whole to the power of 2 whole power of 3 by 2. We know that y double dash 3 by 4a. Now see here 1 plus 3 square 9 by 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 4a. Now see here 4 plus 1, take LCM 13, 4 plus 1, 4 into 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 9 13 over 3 by 2 by 4 to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 4a. We know that 4 power 3 by 2 means 2 square whole to the power of 3 by 2, 2 cancel, 2 cube means 8. In place of this 8 take, right? This is 13 root 13 into root 13. This is by 4 power 3 by 2 means 8 by 3 by 4a. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Okay, 13 root 3 13 by 2 by 4 3 by a take right upside, 13 into root 13 into a, 2 3 is 6. This is y rho at p a comma a is 13 root 13 by 6 into a. This is the answer. See here, I am explaining here. 13 3 root 3 means, see here, 13 see root 30 square into root 13 means square root cancel, means 13 root 13. This is the, I am substituting here direct. Find the radius of curvature for x square plus y square is equal to 16. Consider given curve x square plus y square is equals to 16 is equation number 1. We know that radius of curvature at any point p x comma y is rho at p, that is equals to 1 plus y dash whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. This is equation number 2. Equation 1, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X square means 2x plus y square means 2y into y dash, because this is not x, is equals to constant 0. Now 2x take right side, 2y y dash is equals to minus 2x, 2 cancel, y dash is equals to minus x by y. This is equation number 3. Now see here, this is equation number 3. Differentiate equation 3 with respect to x on both sides. See, y dash means y double dash, that is equals to minus, see this is in the form of u by v. We know the formula u by v differentiation. v into u dash u into v dash by v square. See, v means y into x differentiation is 1 minus u means x into y integration differentiation is y dash by v square means y square. Now see here, y double dash is equals to minus of y means y, x into y dash means minus of x by y by y square. Now see here, minus of y, here LCM, take LCM, y into y square minus minus into minus plus x square by y square into y. Now see here, x square plus y square by y cube. This is y double dash. Now see here, this is y dash, this is y double dash. Now these two substitute in equation number 1. Rho at p, that is equals to 1 plus y dash means minus x by y minus x by y whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by minus of x square plus y square whole to the power of y cube, x square plus y square by y cube. Now see here, simplify this, 1 plus x square by y square whole to the power of, see here 1 plus x square y square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay. Now minus of x square plus y square whole to the power of y cube. Now take LCM, y into 1 y square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y square whole to the power of 3 by 2. See, this minus x square plus y square whole to the power of x square plus y square by y cube. 2 cancel, y cube cancel, remaining is, we know that y square plus x square value, x square plus y square value 16 from equation 1. See here, I am writing here. See here, I am writing here. See here, we know that for this. So in place of that, x square plus y square means 16 whole to the power of 3 by 2 by minus of x square plus y square means 16. So we know that 16 means 4 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus of 16. See, 4 square into 4 by 16, 4 square 16 cancel, minus 4, neglect minus sign, answer is 4.